was an amazing painter in the French Impressionist style. The term Impressionism is derived from one of his paintings, Impression Sunrise. Color and light are evidence of his paintings, such as water lilies and his tag. Monet's commitment to capturing the effect of natural light and his fascination with the interplay of colors in different landscapes had a surprising impact on the artwork. His top 10 painting had been added at the end of the video. Subscribe to my channel to discover the beauty of colorful data.